how many AC units would it take to cool the entire state of Texas? Well, Texas covers over 250,000 square miles, and during the summer, temperatures often climb over 100 degrees. To drop it by just 10 degrees, you would need over 10 billion AC units blasting all at once. That's 27 times the number of units currently in the US. They would suck up 36 terawatts of power, more than the entire planet can produce. And that amount of energy use would create ozone and pump greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, meaning rather than cooling Texas, you would actually be overheating the entire planet.